Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp messages. First, open your WhatsApp. From here, tap on the three dots on the top right and then go to Settings. Now, tap on Chats. From here, select Chat Backup in the bottom. Once you're here, adjust the settings according to your preferences. You can include videos if you want, so just enable it or disable it according to your wants. Also, you can enable backup using cellular if you want. And then tap on Google account and select the account where you want to back up your WhatsApp messages. After it's done, tap on Backup to Google Drive. From here, choose the duration that you want. Once it's all done, just tap on Backup. Now, all you have to do is wait for it to get done. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.